right? So let's start, guys. Risk management. The reason why I want to teach you risk management, guys, is growing your account with good risk management and a great plan for trading, right? Let me go here. I'm going to do a proper blueprint. This is just for the course. I'm going to do a proper blueprint, and after that, I am going to send it to my website. And after that, later on when I'm on stream, I'm basically going to give you the link. Then you can go download the blueprint and use it for your $30. So I made this as a small account that I know most of us South Africans can afford. Don't forget, we are not people from the States. We don't have $100 lying around, right? We are South Africans. The best we can try is $10. I'm talking about people who are not working here. If you are working, you can try $100. You can use $100. But basically, this course is basically for you if you know $10 is what you can afford to risk on the market. Do you get it, guys? So let's start now. I'm going to teach you two things. I'm going to teach you the plan that you're going to use, right? It's not going to be a long course. It's going to be like maybe 30 minutes, right? It's going to be maybe 30 minutes. That's it, right? So the plan is going to be for 30 days, right? The account size, $10. Just open another account, just fund it $10. And I want us to see at the end of 30 days the amount of property that the amount of profit that you're going to have, right? After that, the ratio that we're going to use is 1:2, right? Let me just put a plus on that 1:2. Right, a plus is basically that you can still use 1:3 if you are seeing whatever trade that you are in is going in your direction and it doesn't look like it's going to reverse anytime soon. You can use 1:3. I'm going to explain those things, right? Now you can see there's a 2:1 ratio. This is basically the amount that you're going to be risking in every trade, right? You are going to be risking $2 to make $4 each and every trade, right? Each and every trade that you're going to enter is you're going to try to do this. The next thing, your win rate percentage has to be 50%. Do you get it, guys? Your win rate percentage at the end of each and every week, you have to minimum has to be 50% win rate, right? The next thing, if you see, I made it easy for beginners or you guys. We on stream right now, we all have different trading strategies. Some of you have a good win rate percentage, like you're ranking around 70 to 80% to 60 to 70. That's a good win rate percentage. The reason why I made it 50% is so that you guys can be able to pass this challenge, man. This trading plan that we're going to be focusing on the next month or wherever you're going to fund your account, right? You're just going to use it, right? So the best way to test this, open two accounts. Open your own account and use your own strategy, the way that you trade, right? And try this one and see at the end of the month which one will have the most profits or which one will still be alive. When I mean that you basically haven't blown that account, right? This is our main purpose for this. I'm teaching you how to trade, having a good risk management on your mind, right? So the next thing, we're going to focus on this. This is where you're going to put the trades, right, that you won, and this is where you're going to put the trades that you lost. First week, your target is basically to make a minimum of $10 profit. You see how good it is it, guys, right? But I'm going to give you a beautiful blueprint. This is just the one that we're going to use for this. I'm going to give you the blueprint later on, and you're going to download it, right, and use it, right? If you're up for this challenge, guys, just put a W on the chat right now. Now I want to show you how to use one thing to make this challenge profitable, right? You're going to use you're just going to go to my Google Chrome and we're going to go to this website, right? That's the name of the website. Just go up here. octfx.com. We're not going to register. We're not going to do anything. We're just going to use their profit calculator. That's the only thing we want. We don't want anything. Right? We don't want anything. We just want to use their calculator. That's it. Right? Now, this is the calculator down here, guys. You see the calculator. Right. So this is what we're going to. This is the first thing that I'm going to teach you. I'm going to teach you to use. I want you guys to know how to use this thing because it's going to be important for our success. Right? It's going to be super important for our success. For this challenge to pass, you have to learn how to use this thing. Right? So let's continue, man. Let's continue. Right? So let me do this. I want it to be. This is how. So pairs that I know most of you guys like to trade. You like to trade Nasdaq, guys. For this challenge, first 30 days, no one is trading gold, please. Because if you're going to trade gold, this challenge won't work. I'm sorry. If you're going to trade gold, this challenge won't work. Because gold will basically blow your $10 account in a week. So we're not going to trade gold for this challenge, right? So right now, this is how we're going to learn how to use this, right? Let me go here and let me write how each and every trade is going to operate, right? This is where you're starting. You have your $10 account. You want to enter a trade. You're seeing a potential, right? You're seeing a potential, right? Now, this is why we're going to risk every trade. We're going to risk $2 to make $4, right? This is what we're going to focus on, right? In 10 trades or whatever trade you're going to enter during the week. Right, so this is the first thing you're going to start with, right? Lot size volume is here, is 0.01, right? So here you see it's opening price. This is the price. This is the number that you're going to use for each and every trade, basically. For example, I mean, like, you see the trade here, right? Let me remove it. Let's see that this trade is here and you're seeing a potential buy. You're going to do here, put your potential buy, right? So you're going to use 1:2 ratio. That's what you're going to focus on. So you're going to do this, put where you believe price is. That will be your TP level. Okay, this is our setup right here. You believe that price is going to go up here, right? So what you're going to do, you're going to take your entry number. This is our entry number right here, which is no, man, I don't have to. Hey, you're not going to use gold. Hey, let's use Nasdaq. Because first 30 days, we're not going to trade gold on this challenge, right? We're not going to trade gold. I'm sorry for gold lovers. We are not going to trade gold. Gold is not good for a person who's trying to grow his account when he has a small account. So we're not going to trade gold. So let's use this. Let's use this one. So you see a trade here, you believe that it's going to push up. The first thing you're going to focus on is to focus on the ratio that we talked about, right? 1:2. That's the first thing you're going to start. You're going to focus on. Nasdaq, this is what you're going to do. This is what you're going to do, right? This is your entry level, right? Here. Where you check your entry level, you just go to the graph at the end, and here, this is where your entry level is at, right? Here. This is where your entry level is at. Right, this is where you're going to focus on. You're going to put the gray number that you see here, right? The gray number right now is 18457. So you go here, you put that 18, right? 18 what? 18 what? Give me a minute. 18457, right? Comma 0. This is your entry point. You get it? Now you go to where you're going to take your profit. You put it here, right? Take your profit. Your profit level is here, which is 18. I'm writing it down. I'm going to show you after this. 518. This is your profit level. So after this, the only thing that you have to do, give me a minute. I'm just trying to make it so it can fit on the screen. I just want it to fit on the phone screen so you guys can see it properly. So you see it. So we entered the two levels. The closing price level is your TP level. It's basically here, right? What you're going to do is just going to go down here and say calculate. It's going to give you the profit that you're going to make, which is $6, right? You write that profit. This is basically your first trade. You write that number, the profit. If I win this trade, I'm going to make 0, let's say 0,15. Is it 0,15? What is it? 0,10. Sorry, 0,10. Right? Then after this, you go to the same calculator, right? You go up here, you change your closing price because now you want to see your stop loss. You want to see your stop loss, right? Our stop loss level is basically, what is it? Our stop loss level is the red brother here, right at the end of it. But we want to focus on our strategy. We want to lose what? $2. So we're going to play with it till it gives us a $2. This is where our stop loss will be, right, guys? On this what do you call it? On this strategy, you have to put your stop loss to protect your account, basically. So we are seeing 1,440,0 is the level here. You see the red brother here, right? This is your level, right? Put it there, press the calculator. It tells you what, okay, you haven't lost $2 yet. It's 0,07. So we basically want $2. So we're going to increase it down because the better it is, that means the better our price is protected, right? The better our trade is protected. So you're going to increase it, go back to the calculator and put in the new number. The new number is 4. Basically, we just remove this 4 here and put a 2 on it. Hey, that's too much, right? We don't want to lose $3. We trick it to okay, let's put it 30. Let's put 30 on it. 30. 30 calculator. 270, we can live with it. That's our stop loss. That's our first trade. First trade goes the right way. Our target, you go to your plan, right? You put whatever profit you made. If you made a loss, you put that loss that you made. If you made your profit, you put that profit. So at the end of the week, you're going to calculate the amount of trades that you won and the amount of trade that you lost. And at the end, you're basically going to minus your losses with your profits and see how much money you made during the week. Basically, let's say you won 5 trades. You made $4 on this one. Let me do this. Sorry. Put a dot on it. Let me just put dots on for those 5 trades, right? Let's say you won 5 trades, right? You won 5 trades, which was good, right? Because it's the 50% win rate that we want, right? You won 5 trades, you lost 5, right? You made $5 this trade. You made $4 this trade. You made $4 again. You made $6. The last one, you basically, let's just say you made $7 or you made $4 again. Because I'm being realistic, right? We're not going to use big numbers. We are using the smallest numbers that we can use to make sure this thing is going to be possible. Because I don't want you guys to bite your bums. Right? Now you put the trades that you lost, right? Basically 5 of them. That's what I'm going to do. 5 of them. So this one you lost 2.5. All right. This one you lost $2. This one you lost $2. This one you lost 2.5. You lost 2.5 again, and this one you lost $3. You see right now, this is your trades on your $10 account, right? You won 50% of your trade, but you still lost 50% of your trades. So right now we're just going to, it's easy. Just open up your calculator, right? This is my calculator, right? So you see this 120, 120. This is what I was teaching yesterday, basically, right? 5 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 is equals to, you basically made $23, right? That's the amount of money you made, right? You made $23. You put your $23 here. 23. I'm going to give you a blueprint that's going to be where you're going to put whatever money you made first week, during the week, second week, third week, fourth week. I'm just going to put it in a proper manner. So you can, now I'm just using this, whatever thing I wrote here, so you guys can understand this trading strategy, right? Let me grow it. Let me put it to like 20, right? This is, you made $23. Now you calculate your losses. Don't forget, you lost. You see, I'm making this thing realistic as possible, because I know no one is going to win all his trades, right? You made 2.5, plus you lost $2, plus you lost another $2. You lost 2.5 again, and your last one you lost $3. You basically lost $12. You basically lost $12. It's possible, right? You're gonna lose some trades. The main reason for this lesson is, at the end of the month you have enough money to say, I made this, right? You lost this, so you minus this $12 on this brother. $12 calculator is telling us that you made what? $11, right? That's basically telling you that you hit your first profit, your first target of the week, which was $10. If you understand what I'm explaining here, guys, can you put a W on the chat so we can continue? Right? So we can continue. Put a W on the chat right now. Please, guys, put a W so we can continue. Okay, so I'm seeing 1. I'm seeing 2. I'm seeing another one. Thank you. Seeing another one. So we are going to our second week. Paste. Now, second week, I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna say week 2, right? I'm going to give you a beautiful blueprint, guys. Don't be like, hey, this thing looks snacks. Yeah, it looks snacks right now, but it's going to look good soon, right? I'm just using it to explain whatever we will be doing together, right? At the end of the week, I'll be talking to you guys. You'll be telling me this is the amount of money that I lost, and this is the amount of money. So my profit is this. I'll be talking to you guys because I want to do this challenge with you guys. I'll be there, live stream. We can talk, right? We can do whatever. You guys can communicate with each other. I might make a WhatsApp group that you guys are going to use to communicate and show and paste the profits that you made during your first week. And we're going to go to our second week. We're going to do the same thing. So now, second week, things are different, right? You made $11. You made $11 compared with the first money that you made. So you enter a new week. You are here. You are on $21. Right? We are still going to use the same strategy on our second week. It's going to change when we reach a certain number, because now we're going to change what? The amount of money that we're risking on every trade. Do you understand, guys? So the same thing, focusing. Second week, you made $5. You made $4 because our lot size hasn't changed. We are still risking 1:2. You are risking $2 to make $4 per trade. Next trade you did go. You made 6. You made 6. You made 4. Right? You can see one thing that is. You can see one thing that is not changing. It's not going beneath the $4 because that's our minimum target per trade. It's making that $4. Do you understand on the chat? So you lost $2, you lost $2, you lost $3, you lost 3, you lost 3. Nah, you lost 3 because you are not going to go too far. Max is 3, right? You lost 2 again, you lost 2. Second week, if you are late for how to use this calculator website, I'm going to do another one. On the third week, I'm going to do another one on another pair, right? So this is the amount of money that you made second week, right? Because I know 80% of you on stream, you'll be able to do this. Unless if you are that type of beginner, you don't know nothing. You get it, guys? Unless you're that beginner. So you go to a calculator again, you do the same thing. You calculate the amount of money you made. 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 4. You see how easy it is, right? You basically made $25. second week, right? But what you did lose, right? So let's minus. You lost 2, you lost 3, you lost 3 again, you lost 2, you lost 2. So how much? You made $18. Second week, guys, you made something. At the end of the week, it might be a slow growth, but you are making money. That's what is important about the market. You want money at the end of the damn month, right? Because you can never predict the amount of money that you're going to make, but you can make, that at the end of the month or at the end of the week, at least I will have some money to continue trading. The good thing about this thing is motivation. Is a motivator booster. It boosts your motivation, right? So okay, I made $13, right? So you're going to the next week. You're going to the next week in a beautiful profit, right? Let me just copy this. Second week. I'm just copying everything for the second week. So now your account is bigger. That's what I wanted. Your account is bigger. Your account is bigger for the third week. Paste. Okay, it pasted. Did it paste, guys? Yeah, it pasted. Okay, good. Yeah, your account is bigger. Now this is your third week, right? You start your third week on what? You start your third week on a $34 account. You see now the market. Now you're doing good. It's good if you know what you're doing. I won't lie. If you know what you do, it's not good enough for cause one thing I realized about beginners, you scalp on a 1 minute time frame, which is not a bad thing, but it has so much noise, it confuses you most of the time. So we're just trying to avoid that. So you're starting a week with a good. Now the one thing is going to change is your risk ratio, because your account right now is bigger, right? So now this is where you're going. This is the second thing you're going to go. Now we're going for 2. Right now the ratio is not changing. The what is changing is the amount of money that you are using. Basically, that means you're sacrificing $4 to make $8, which is what is a different risk ratio, which is 0.2. Okay, ask me, big man. Ask whatever question you want to ask before you can go. Oh, it's the beginner scalping thing. If you're a beginner, guys, if you know that when you're scalping, your win rate percentage is good, continue scalping. If it's more than 50%, it's good, then you can continue scalping. But if your win rate percentage is horrible, learn something else. If you're not making more than 50% of your trades, learn something else. That's what I want to teach, right? So right now our trade has changed, right? Let me continue here for people who are late on stream who didn't see how we use the forex calculator. Let's use Euro USD. Man, I haven't removed all those things, man. The things that I made during the week, right? Okay, Euro USD. You're seeing a beautiful trade. You take your long position. Do it like this. Your TP level is here. Your stop loss is beneath the support level is here. Then you have to go back to the what? You have to go back to the forex calculator to use it, right? So right now you're going to basically do the same thing. You're going to focus on your entry level, right? Your entry level is here. If you go to the side, you see this gray one. You won't see it properly. Let me do this. You see this gray brother right here. This one here. This is your entry point, right? You're going to put it on the open price. If I drag, let me drag this to the side. You see, there's an open price here. Open price, open price. You're going to put it here. You're going to change your lot size. Your lot size now is bigger, right? It's 0.2, right? You're going to change your lot size. You're going to put your entry, which is 0.1, and you have to change because you're not trading Nasdaq, so you have to change it and go to Euro USD. Number 1, right? You have your Euro USD. So now you know, okay, This is what I'm going to focus on. 0.246, right? This is your entry number. So your exit number is the red one on the side, right? It's the red one here. This is your exit point. You see your exit point is here. So you're going to do this. This is your exit point on the trade. So let's write that number, which is 1 is to 08175, right? You got this, right? This is your stop loss level. We just want to see our stop loss level. You guys go to your calculator, click it. It's not enough. It's not enough. It's not the $2 it's not the $4 that we want to sacrifice. So which is telling me that right now you can increase your lot size and put it to 0.3. Do you get it now, guys? Do you get it how we use this? If you understand how we use it, you always want to focus on our target. Whatever trade, you focus on your plan. If you understand and put a W, the plan is realistic as hell, bro. Put a W if you understand it. If you understand it. Because now we are basically sacrificing $4 for this trade. We need to see that minus $4 on this trade. Put a W, guys, if you understand it so far. Put a W. Put a W, put a W. Okay, I'm seeing one W. I'm seeing a second W. I'm seeing a third W. Okay, we're learning something. That's good, right? So you click, you put 0.3. Still too small. Still too small. This is not what we want to sacrifice, right? For this small trade, this is not what we want to sacrifice. 0.04, right? You see how we focus on our main on this trade is basically losing $4 to make $8. We want that. We're not playing with it, right? 0.4, pressing our calculator, it's not giving us what we want. 0.5, right? Press the calculator again. Now we are good with this number. This is a good number, right? 0.5. We are good with this number. This is the money that we're going to lose if our trades goes down here. Or the next thing you can basically do is to drag your stop loss and put it here, right? On this number. So we can go back to 0.04. So let's click on our calculator. Click on our calculator. Put 0.4 here, right? And change our closing level. This is the brother right here. So right now our new level is 0.8121, right? Calculator. That's too much. 0.3, right? You see how we use this thing, guys? It's good. We are good with that number. We are good with that number. 0.3 is our brother, right? So right now we have to put it on our TP level. We have to make more than $8. If it's not more than $8, we have to adjust whatever is happening here. We have to adjust whatever is happening here to make sure that our profit is $8, right? Okay, so now we're doing the same thing. We open price. This is what we're going to do. We're going to go here and change our what? Our closing price. This is basically where you want the market to go. Now our closing price is this level here, right? We go here and look at the green bar on the graph. This is the green bar right here. This one. You see, this is the green bar. This is the one we're going to focus on, right? For people who are going to be watching this on YouTube, this is the green bar. I'm just pointing it with my arrow so you can you can see it when you're going to be watching this on YouTube, right? Now you change this level, this thing. You put what is important, what you want. You see what amount is this brother going to give you? 6 comma, not comma, just 4.8, and let's calculate your money out. That's good. That's good, right? That's good. Your first profit, your first trade, you made $12, extra $4. When you are sure, you know, guys, most of you, when you know how to trade, you know where your trade is going to reverse. That's what you're going to put it at, right? So that's good. That's $12, right? $12. You go in to your new week. Let's remove this, brother. First trade goes your way, you basically made $12, right? Next one, you made 8. I was just showing you how to use it again, guys. That is like a more advanced way, but I believe you guys saw it, right? Okay, you made another $8. You made like $12, right? And the last one for Friday, you basically made what? You basically made not five, bro. You basically made $10. You see, this thing is realistic now. $10. You see how realistic this thing is, guys. The more you grow your account, the more you can actually use this thing. So you lost your first trade. You lost 3.8. Second one, you lost $4. Fourth one, you lost $4. You lost $4. You lost $4. The reason why I'm using $4 is just to make it realistic, right? So you go to your calculator, you calculate the amount of money that you made. This is your third week, by the way. I just want to show you that at the end of the month, it might be a small growth, but it is a growth at the end, right? Plus 8, plus 8, plus 12, plus 10. You basically made $50. Now you have to minus your losses because you did lose, right? You did lose, right? You have to minus your losses now. You did lose. And they're going to take a huge chunk, but it's not important, right? 0.8 first minus. Second minus is 4. Another one is 4. Another one is 4. Another one is 4. Right? You basically lost $30. God damn it. That's 60% of your account, bro. That's 60% of your account. But the good thing is at the end, you made profits. That's why we want profits. At the end, you made profit. Guys, let me show you a graph of a trader because people don't know this. Ne? Let me show you a graph of a trader. Paint. This is a graph of a trader. This is how a true trader's graph moves. It will never move like this. Never. A true trader's graph, it will never move like this. A true trader's graph will move like this. Will go up, right? Go down, go up. This is how your account is growing, right? Go down, right? Go up. This is how a true trader's graph moves. So if you are a trader on live stream and you want your account to grow like this, brother, that will never happen. That will never happen. You're going to have dips. You're going to have dips when you're a trader, right? It's just to make sure that those dips don't hit your previous profit. That's what we want. Those dips don't hit your previous profit. We just want more profit, right? So you basically made what? You basically made $20, right? You basically make $20 on your third week. Combining it with the money that you started with, which was $34. So you end your third week on a big account, man. If this is not big to you, I don't know what you want, right? Basically $30, you made this. $54. And how much money is this on rands? This is like 1,000 rand already. Is this not important information that you guys should start learning how to use? Right? Don't forget, now your account is bigger. Number one, you have $54. You're going to your last week of the month, which is now you finished your 30 days. So the more your account gets bigger, the more you risk more because you have a big account. This is how risk management works. You're treating your Forex account like it's a business. So this is your third week, you're up $54. Tell me how many people you know who are trading right now, they even reach this amount of money. Because the problem with most of you guys, your accounts are not consistent, right? You're going to make most money this week, and whatever profit that you made last week, you lose it. Because your trading skills or your trading strategy or your trading plan was not good enough. How much time did I eat on this? Okay, 35. I don't want this thing to last more than an hour, so I'm just going to show you the last one, right? But this plan basically is a plan for 3 months. I want to see how much money uh we will have after 3 months. I'm also going to find a $10 account. My account is big now, I know, but I'm also going to do this thing with you guys, because on that WhatsApp group that I'm going to make, when we are sharing our profits, whatever money we made during the month, yeah, if you don't have a good trading strategy, things like this will always happen. You have to have a good trading strategy, right? So right now you're up here, right? You're up $54. You're going to your last week. Let's just do the last week, and you guys can start asking me any questions, right? Let's do our last week, right? Let me copy this thing. I'm going to do a beautiful blueprint. This was just for this lesson, guys. This blueprint was basically for this lesson. After this, I'm going to do a beautiful one. Trust me, right? So you guys can use it at your spare time. You can use the Forex calculator. The blueprint that I'm going to do is going to show you the website that you have to use, everything. This one is just the one that I'm just using it to teach you guys this strategy, right? I'm going to do a beautiful one. Paste. Now let's remove this $54 at the end and just remove this profits that we made. Right, so now we are up 54 in profit. This is where we are, right? 54 in profits. We made so much money. So for me, I like to withdraw my money at the end of the month, but I don't withdraw all of it. I withdraw half of it because I still want to make that account to become super big, right? So that's how I trade. I have to thank myself at the end. Like I was consistent. I was using my strategy. I never changed the way I was trading. That was basically thanking yourself. Buying it. If you like beer, you buy beer. If you like food, you buy something to eat. You understand, guys? Just to thank yourself, or you take your girl out. Right. So now you're up $54. Okay, you're happy. So one thing we're not going to change right now is this, brother. Right? So basically, let's just say at the end of the second month, you made another $20, right? You made another $20. You are basically up right now $74 in profits, right? $74 to most people doesn't sound like much, but it is a good amount of money. So what I mostly do, I just take half of it, right? That's what I usually do. I just take half of it and spend it, right? With a lucky person I'll be dating that time. My girl loves Roko Mamas, so that's what I will mostly do, right? Divide this by 2. Okay, I'll withdraw 37 rand, $37. This is the amount of money that I will withdraw. This is the amount of money that I will withdraw. So when I start my second month, I'm not starting my second month on zero. This is what I want to focus on. I'm not starting my second month on zero. I'm starting my month on what? On the second week. Because the second week, how much money did we make on the second week? Sorry. Was it the second week or the third week? Yeah, it's the third week. I'm starting my month on the third week. Do you see it now? You're starting your month on the third week. And on the third week, you're basically sacrificing $4 to make what? No, you're sacrificing $4? No, you were still sacrificing 0:1. I want that one that at the end of the week it was 30 something, man. Wait, give me this. Okay, $34. Nah, you were basically doing the same thing. You were sacrificing $4 to make $8, right? Right, which was the third week. Man, alarm. It's 1 o'clock. Give me a minute. Turn off the alarm. Right? So the good thing about this, you're starting your second week at 0,2. This is what we want. You're starting your second week at 0,2. So now I'm 88% sure when the month ends, you'll be up $200. But I'm going to give you that blueprint later on for you guys to download it and use it. It's going to be a 3 months blueprint, right? Now I was just showing you first month the potential money that you can make. Some of you will make more, I know, because you won't be winning 50% of your trades and losing 50% of your trades. Some of you will make more. Some of you, maybe you will reach $110 or $100, right? For me, trading this way, I don't lose 50 per week, guys. I'm sorry. I don't lose 50% of my trades. I lose like 3 a week. And I win like 7 trades. That's how I trade. Or sometimes I don't even lose at all. Right? So this was just showing you how to trade, having a good plan on your side, how beneficial it is. So if you were late on stream, guys, and you want to see whatever we are talking about, I'm recording the video. You're going to find it on YouTube. So guys, right? So if you're happy with this lesson, you can give me W's. If you have questions, you can ask me any question. I can ask, right? I will answer for the next 10 minutes. Ask me any questions. Ask me any questions. Okay, thank you for the W's, because you guys basically understand. So the blueprint for this thing, guys, I'm going to post it later on today. I'm going to go live, just going to take 10 minutes and show you where to download it, so you guys can download it and start using it for like the next 3 months and see how much money you will be having after 3 months. Because I promise, if you don't make any money after 3 months, you can unfollow me. You can unfollow me. Because I know this thing works, bro. I have tested it. It worked for me. Right? Monday, today I'll be busy. So I will post it. I'll just enter for stream to show you where to download that thing. But today I'll be busy. So the time, I'll be available Monday, because tomorrow I'll also be busy. So Monday I'll be showing you how to trade. Nah, man, you can just watch the video on YouTube, bro. I'm recording the video here. You can just watch the video on YouTube. I explained everything from the start on that video. Just go to my YouTube channel. But right now, not now, I'll post it later. The name of the channel is Trade Talk. Give me a minute. Trade Talk with Prince. The best thing you can do for me right now, guys, just go to my channel and subscribe. Just go to my channel and subscribe, right? The best thing you can do just now, just subscribe. There are 2 videos there. It was last week's lesson. I was teaching people how to do proper support and resistance, how to trade using support and resistance strategies, and the indicators that could help you with that. And the second video is using support and resistance and trend line support and resistance to win trades. That's how I trade most of the time. So if you want to see those videos to improve your trading knowledge, you can just go watch them. That's it, right? So the best thing you can do for me, guys, is just go to my channel and subscribe. That's basically, that's the money that I want. I don't charge anything for my lessons. That's basically you giving me money. Hey, Brian, I'm struggling because I have too many channels. I have like 3 channels, right? So it's only showing other channels. It's not showing my trading channel. I wanted to do that, bro, but it's not showing my trading channel, right? So the only way to go get it, to go to my channel, right, is to go to, there's my Instagram link there, right? Is to go to my Instagram. Let me show you how to do it quick, right? Why are they showing me this damn things, man? Right? Just go to my Instagram, click, you see here at the top of my Instagram is basically my bios. You just click on the bios. You see this, or the last one here, that's my YouTube channel, and when you click on it, it's basically going to take you to my YouTube channel, and you can watch the videos or subscribe. So I will ask you guys, the best thing to do right now, guys, go and watch these 2 videos. They are really important. These 2 videos, There are things that you don't understand about the market, especially beginners, these videos will help you to master support and resistance, to master trend line trading. I promise. Cause plus they are good. Someone right now on stream asked me which moving averages am I using. Right on those videos, I gave these moving averages to people. I did give these moving averages to people on those two videos. I believe this one, especially this one. I love this one so much. This blue one right here. I love this moving average so much. This one is just a guidance of value price is going to that direction, right? But I love this one so much because it helps you with entries. It's so good when it comes to entries, right? Yeah. Thank you guys. Those are long videos. It's a one. I don't even this one is going to I'm going to post this one today later on. How is a 1 hour video. So guys, if you enjoyed today's stream, follow your boy and go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I promise I'm going to give you that blueprint today later on because now I just want to draft it, right? I want to draft it for 3 months so you guys can use it for 3 months. And if you after 3 months, I know after 3 months most of you will be happy. I promise. This is a promise, guys. Right? Most of you after 3 months will be happy people. Right? If you're struggling with drafting a new one after 3 months, I'll give you a new one to grow your account even further. Because after 3 months, most of you, your account will be $1,000 up. If you didn't reach $1,000 up, you'll be having at least what do we call it? More than $500. Right? So guys, if you enjoyed the stream, give me W's. Give me W's right now before I leave the stream. I'll be back later on to give you the blueprint. Yo, Eric is so late. Eric is late, bro. Guys, thank you for watching my stream, man. Right? If it was fruitful for you, just go and subscribe. That's just a thank you gesture from you guys. Right? I'll be back late to give you the blueprint where to download it so you can start using it. And from there, I'm creating a website, so there'll be books there that I got online that you guys can use to learn more about trading. That will be good books, not this annoying information. I'll search for books for beginners, right? I find them, I'll put them in my website so you guys can download them. Eric, just go to the YouTube to my YouTube channel right now, right? Where is it? Just go to this, right? I'll post this video late so you can rewatch it at your own spare time, right? I was teaching guys good the risk management to grow their accounts, right? So guys, I'm leaving right now. I'm tired. I still have things that I have to do. It's Saturday, guys, right? We'll talk later on. Have a great day. Shop shop. 35.
Actually trusted me and gave me 30 minutes to rest up, right? And what happened after that, your boy fell asleep. I fell asleep. That 30 minutes that you gave me, I fell asleep. Like when I was charging my